Yo, what's happening? Man, I ain't doing too much. What y'all got going on? Man. Just sitting out here in my road, just, chilling at the gas station, man, how we do. No pics by Nick over there. Just chilling, man. Waiting on my dog to pull up. My dog said, man, I seen you out, man. I'm finna pull up. Do a little vlog with me or something. So, waiting on him to pull up. And then I'm finna take it to the house. Cause I ain't got nothing going on. So yeah. You wanna see pull up, man. Let y'all see what's going on. Come over here. Right here. Killing me, Petey. You're killing me. Hold up. Y'all know this junk, so I ain't even gotta record this junk. My dog J-Bo pulled out, man. Put the 4Gs on this junk. Yes, sir. With the lips. My car, this junk. Betty White. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I read it. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we just out chilling. Man. At one of the spots where we be. And, yeah. Finna take it to the house, man. Like some little sprinkles coming, man. Take it to the crib. They're trying to rain us out. Take it to the crib. About 9:30? Yep, 9:30 on the dot. So I'm finna take it to the crib. I know Ash probably looking for me like, I know this nigga told me he was finna come right back. I'm getting that footage though. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm doing it for y'all, man. Getting that good footage. Just some spur of the moment type. He seen me out, which I wasn't even finna get out. I just got out, just know what I'm saying, just to hit a couple, just to turn a few corners. He seen that Pics by Nick had posted that I was out. He hit me up like, man, where you at? I was like, shit, where you at? He was like, man, I'm finna pull up. I was like, bet, let me go get the camera. I'm trying to think, is that the first time this car been on the channel? I don't know. Might be. Nah, he been on the channel at a couple shows, you know what I'm saying? But he ain't had these wheels though, he had some more wheels. So, yeah. And I don't think he had this hood either. Nah, he ain't had this hood. I think he just got the hood. Cause he just got the hood painted. Yes, sir. Who? Ah. Hey. Man, don't make me get on the phone.
Look. Say bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. See you later. See you later. Have a good day. Bye. Love you. Love you to heaven. Bye. I'll do it again.
So what? Look at this kid. It's a beautiful morning. Labor Day weekend. And yeah. I might back just roll through. I'm finna get in traffic. Yeah, man, we out here. It's the first fill up. The first fill up, man, since I put the new center unit in. See what the damage is. Yeah, she finna tear my ass up. I don't know where it's gonna stop at, but yeah, it's right here. It's why these are not day-to-day cars, everyday cars. I don't even know why I'm filling it up, but it is what it is. There's another mother. And I think I had a quarter tank in there. Hey man, we ain't even finna do all this. Oh, there you go. $75, man. I just put $75 in the comment. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about y'all want some old school. Alright, man, I want like y'all. Hey, man. This shit ain't peachy. Y'all think it is. Aside from all the car parts and shit that we be buying and all the other bullshit, all the breakdown and shit. You gotta put $75 in the motherfucker every time you run it down to a quarter tank. But it is what it is though. So guess what? I ain't gonna stop riding. I'll put that 75 in there every chance I get. Yeah, if I got to, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, man, I'm finna get up out of here, man. And got a few errands to run. So I'm finna get up out of here, man, and do what I gotta do. And I'll pick this camera up in a minute. If I see something in traffic or something. We out of though. Yeah, we out here.